If you're getting API errors in Pipedrive, that can break your integrations and automations. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, check your API token. Make sure it's correct and hasn't been changed or expired. Next, verify your request, URL, and endpoint. Even a small mistake in the URL can cause API errors. Now check if you've hit API rate limits. Too many requests in a short time can block further access temporarily. Make sure your request data is valid. Missing fields or incorrect formats can trigger errors. Also check your account permissions. Your API token must have access to the data you're trying to use. Finally, test your API using tools like Postman. This helps you debug and identify the exact issue. And that's it. These steps should fix most API errors in Pipedrive. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.